Hey guys, I figured I'd make this video to give you a visual of the data that I'm looking to extract. So right now we're looking at this particular page. The website that I'm looking to get the data from is called marathonguide.com, which is what you're looking at. Just a little bit of background information. Marathon Guide, they list running races, marathons. And the information that I want is what's referred to as the results. So for instance, when people run the race, those results are listed on this site. And let's just go ahead and take a look at the page that I have up now. You can see that this particular race is called the First Light Marathon, and the results can be found in this drop down here. And they only list 100 per page, so that's why you can see this particular race they only had 299 people. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this first one. It's going to show me the results for the first 100 people. So I'll click that, and I'm going to go ahead and click View. And the information that I'm looking for is in this particular table right here. And like I said, this is the first page, so it's showing the results of 1 through the 100 people. And if I want to advance pages, I can go and click on this More Results button. And now you can see it flipped over, and it's showing me 101 through 200. And I click it again, and it shows me the very last page. So yeah, this is the information that I want, is in this particular table here. And let me just tell you about one little caveat on here is, this particular one has 8 columns worth of data. Sometimes it's inconsistent with this website. I'm going to go ahead and click over to a different race that's in here. You can see that this one only has 5 columns worth of data. So of course, basically, I want extracted whatever's there. So, if there's only 5 columns, that's fine. You just go ahead and dump the data into the appropriate column, and that's what I'm looking for. So, you also see attached to this is I attached an Excel file. And in the Excel file, on this very first tab, let me click over here. This is called Sample Extract. I figured I'd show you guys. I manually extract the data myself so I can show you what I'm looking for. And I did extract data from, I have it right here. I extracted it from these 3 particular races, and I dumped the information down here. So if you want to do a little bit of QC to make sure that your extraction script is working fine, you can take a look at it here. Now, of course, one of the questions that everybody always has is, how do you associate these particular results with that particular race? What I did is I created this column called MIDD. And this is essentially the identifier number that's here. Now, why did I call it MIDD? Let me go ahead and flip back to my browser, and I'll show you why. Now, the MIDD number comes from the URL. It's listed right up here at the top. You can see the MIDD, and that particular number is right there. So when you extract the data, I want that number to be filled in right here. And that's how I'll associate it for that particular race. And now I'm wondering exactly what data I'm looking to have extracted. That's on these other tabs down here. Let me just go ahead and click on this 2001. And these are the results from all the races in the year 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, whatever it is. And all of the links to those races I have in here. So that is essentially the data that I'm looking to extract. If you can go ahead and dump that into a file that looks something like this with, the headings and all the information there, and then the MIDD number that's there, that's what I'm looking to do. So if you got any questions, feel free to let me know. I'll be glad to answer them. Appreciate your time. Thanks.